What's up, YouTube? Back to me again. It's Ben with another unboxing for you guys. And today I got something special, which is an unboxing series for you guys. So I got 4 items here that I want to share on my videos. So the first item, which is the Bayern Munich long sleeve fan jersey in the 25-26 seasons. And this is the back. You got the FC Bayern Munich. And this is the long sleeve versions. I kind of like the long sleeve versions, jerseys of Adidas a lot. So, and I also like Olise in the past in this season. So that's why I want to buy this this jersey with the has the M designs of the front, and the logo is stitches, and I'm a size L. You got all the stripes on the arm, and then the white parts design underneath the arm. Then the next item is definitely the printing. I got this from Malaysia, so this is the printing of Tony Kroos from the Euro 2024 away jersey, because I got that jersey a long time ago. So the first one is Tony Kroos. You can see it, number 8 up front. And then you got the Olise special printing with his signature and his icon on it. This is the official printing from Bayern Munich, the special one. And now comes to the 2 pairs, one pair of shoes and 1 pair of cleats that I want to unbox. So the first one, let's just put this aside, is the Air Max 90 Hypervenom in the bright citrus and black colorway. It comes with the normal red box. Nothing special, it's just an Air Max, normal Nike Air Max box. Inside you get this Hypervenom shoes. So I picked this up from Dick's Sporting Goods. So it's just released yesterday, and I was fortunate to get my hands on it. So this is the pair of Nike Air Max 90 Hypervenom. It has this retro looks. So I know that the Air Max 90 has 4 colorways: the Laser 90, Hypervenom, Mercuro, and Tiempo. But I think this colorway is very iconic because of how special the cleats are, and how how Neymar actually brings the Hypervenom into the iconic cleats category. So features the Hypervenom upper with the outsole of Air Max 90, the bubble inside. I haven't tried it, but I think it's gonna be comfortable. The upper is just insane. It just replicates perfectly the Hypervenom Phantom. This colorway is just iconic. You got the skulls on the side, the 90s on the back, and then the upper with the swoosh from the inside, black laces, orange outsole. And then on the tongue features a very thin tongue like the Hypervenom, as you guys can see. Instead, they put ACC on the Hypervenom Phantom. They put AM90s, which stands for Air Max 90. And then you got the Air Max on the outside. Yeah, that's it for the unboxing of the Nike Hypervenom, Nike Air Max 90 Hypervenom colorway. And now comes to one of the, put this away. Now comes to the Cleats, which is the pair of Nike Tiempo Maestro Elite in the AG Pro variations. It's the white, black, racer blue, and pink colorway. The ones same. This pair is from my friend, who I just borrowed to review for you guys. I got this colorway for the Ligera Pro. If you guys remember, so same tech leather on the upper. Got the pink on the inside, black Nike swoosh, and then the black Nike swoosh with the blue on the outside. This is like the one-piece upper with knit on the tongue. Then the tech leather. So it's just AG, as you guys can see. Just split up between pink and blue, which is super nice. The heel, you got the Maestro Tiempo logo. AG plate. And the other pair. And then you also got the string backs in blue with pink swoosh. All these words Nike footballs on it, and then just all the words with Nike on it, black strings as well. So here you go. The Maestro, I tried it on before. Basically it's just more tight in this mid foot because of the one-piece fly knit. That's why I prefer the Ligera Pro more. But honestly, the tech leather is just insane. It's very comfortable. It's just like one-on-one to like the real leather. However, it can perform better during the rain because I don't think it's got soaked up all the water in. So that's like a pros for that. In the inside, you get the blue and pink insole. It says Tiempo Maestro. And here is the outsole, the AG plate. But yeah, that's it for my unboxing, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to leave a like down this video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys. Peace.